Aloha my friends, Kristina here, and I'm so happy to share with you my 7 daily rituals for a healthier, happier life. I've shared my morning and my evening routines with you, and I've shared so many recipes, tips, and tricks to help you be successful on this lifestyle. And so many of you have reached out asking me for more, asking me how to be consistent, how to be dedicated, how to prioritize so that you can achieve the results that you want. This is my birthday weekend. My birthday is March 11th. And in celebration of my birthday, I wanted to share something with you that can help you reach a greater level of health and well-being, because we all want the gift of health and wellness. I think what people want most is something that is long-lasting or something that they can apply for the rest of their lives. I think people are tired of fads, they're tired of diets, they want something that works. You want more tools for your toolbox. So I'm gonna be sharing with you the 7 main practices that I prioritize in my day to hopefully inspire you to implement some of these into your daily routines as well. The goal is to be healthier and happier. So consider this video my little birthday gift to you. You're leaving today with a party favor. One quick announcement before we jump into this video today. There is a $55 off discount for a new J2 Nama juicer waiting for you in the description below this video. Many of you know that juicing is a huge part of my daily routine, and I cannot recommend it enough. I have fallen in love with Nama juicers, and they've provided this discount code for you as a special little birthday gift party favor from me to you, so please check it out. For those of you who are looking for a new juicer or wanting to get into juicing, I highly recommend the J2 juicer, and the code is FullyRaw55 to get $55 off, and the link is below. I hope you enjoy. All that being said, let's jump into this video today and have a little bit of fun. Love you and thank you. I am happy to share with you what I believe to be 7 daily rituals for a healthier, happier life. These are not in any particular order. I've shared several videos of my daily lifestyle routine, and I've recently had many of you ask me to share what I prioritize in my days to make consistency easier and more attainable. I know many of you might be starting your health journey, and others of you might be well advanced in your routines. No matter where you are at on your journey, we always need reminders sometimes that help bring us back to balance. Life gets busy and crazy, and in moments of stress or overwhelm, I find it can be really challenging to meet all of our needs that keep us feeling fulfilled and thriving. In those moments, I found it's most helpful to bring it back to the basics and reinvent your foundation. Even in my 16+ years of eating fully raw, I've had to bring it back to the basics several times to bring myself back to balance. I'm happy to share with you my top healthy rituals. All links referenced are below in the description for you. The first ritual I believe to be most important for a healthier, happier life is eating a colorful and nutrient-rich plant-based diet. I say diet, but it's really a lifestyle. A huge part of this for me is consuming lots of fresh juices, smoothies, and rainbow salads. Energy is everything, and what type of fuel you put into your body matters. You want to eat foods that are rich in vitamins and minerals and that come from the earth. If you're new to eating healthy, I like to recommend trying to eat at least 1 fully raw meal a day. Breakfast or lunch are usually the easiest to do, and you can do a smoothie, plate of fruit, or juice. Juicing has played such a huge role in my journey. I recently finished a 3-day juicing reset and loved it. There's nothing more refreshing than a jar of freshly pressed juice. If you don't have a good juicer, it's a worthwhile investment to get one, preferably a slow cold pressed juicer. It saves you time and money in the long haul. I'm using a new J2 Nama juicer, and I love it because this new technology allows you to load in whole pieces of fruits or vegetables into the top hopper, walk away, and your juice is ready for you when you come back. It reduces your prep time and also batch juices, meaning you can make multiple jars of juice at one time. The juices last for up to 4 to 5 days in the fridge in a sealed tight container. If you're looking to get a new juicer, definitely check out the J2 Nama juicer. You can use the code FullyRaw55 to get $55 off your juicer using the link below in the description as well. How refreshing do these juices look? I hope this inspires you to get juicing and to eat more colorful, rich, plant-based foods. Enjoy, my friends. Exercise is the second most important thing in my day I prioritize. I know it's easier said than done, but movement is so important in your day. Our society has become accustomed to sitting down all day, and getting in any steps are better than none. Make an effort if you can to spend 20 minutes in the morning doing some yoga, HIIT workouts, dancing, whatever makes you feel good. The intention is to feel good. I feel so much better when I get a workout in my day. I make sure to get up early enough to fit it in before my day begins, and I'll spend 30 minutes to an hour moving. breathing, and getting warmed up for the day. After my exercise, I can take on anything. Not only is it physically empowering, but also emotionally and mentally stabilizing as well. Let's get moving. The next ritual I prioritize is time in nature and sunshine. So many have become disconnected from nature, and all that's required for you to do a little restoration is to take a 10-minute walk every day in a place that has some trees or greenery. If you're not able to take a walk outside, then lay beneath a window that has sun shining through it. Feel the sun on your skin. Nature is healing. It's wonderful for your mental health and helps to reduce stress and anxiety. It helps us to reconnect back with ourselves. I recently went on a hike with my friends and it was magical. I feel so restored spending a day hiking in nature or spending time napping in the sun. It fills up my soul in a way I cannot explain. The things that seem insignificant are usually the most important ones of all. My next important ritual is sleep. Sleep is something I've struggled with my entire life. This ritual is one that I still probably find most difficult. Nonetheless, I put in the effort to always get better. I've always battled insomnia, and it got really bad during my college years and all throughout the years running my co-op in Texas called FullyRawKristina. Eventually, little sleep caught up with me, and now I work really hard to make sure I'm getting at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. When we sleep, our bodies rest, repair, restore, and refresh from the previous day. Sleep also gives us more energy. Be disciplined with your sleep schedule. My current sleep routine now looks like getting in bed at a certain time with Coco and then having a slow awakening with him in the morning filled with lots of cuddles, snuggles, and kisses. The next important ritual I prioritize is connection. Whether with other individuals, groups, communities, humans, animals, or simply yourself, it's so important to nurture your sense of connection with other living beings and with yourself. I often find that I need to find a balance between having alone time and also surrounding myself in community spaces where I can fill myself back up. Of course, I spend lots of time with my rescue animals and they give me a love that makes my heart so happy. When in doubt, go spend time with people who care about you and with whom you feel supported. Spend quality time with yourself without distractions. Spend time with animals. Foster an environment where you feel safe and can come back to yourself and feel loved. To me, this is what connection is all about. The next ritual I prioritize can shift on a daily basis, and this one is what I like to call an energy shifter. Energy shifters are actually positive modalities that require an action to help uplift or heal you in a certain way. Energy shifters actually encompass many different practices or modalities. An energy shifter can include meditation, breath work, holding your heart, experiencing moments of silence, crying, cleaning, bathing, singing, dancing, or journaling. This is just my list of energy shifters, and I invite you to create your own. What makes you feel free? What makes you feel safe? What helps you to release stuck emotions? What helps you to move forward? Whatever those practices are for you, implement them here into a 10 to 20 minute window in your day if you can. Last but not least, I prioritize prayer and gratitude. Nothing is more important or powerful than prayer and gratitude. No matter in what you believe, gratitude can shift your mood and bring beautiful new possibilities into your life. I believe there is always something for which to be grateful. When you count your blessings, even the smallest ones, I find they seem to overflow. If you're having a really tough day and you can't find anything to be grateful for, place your hand over your heart and feel your heart beating. Your heart beats for you every day without you asking it to, and I believe that to be a true form of unconditional love. Staying in a state of gratitude and prayer keeps me humbled and filled with hope. It's a powerful tool. Give thanks. Thank you all so much for joining me in this video today. If you have liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button because there is only more goodness to come. In celebration of my birthday, I'll soon be having a major app sale, so please stay tuned for that. And if you're looking to get a new juicer, you can use the code FullyRaw55 to get $55 off a new J2 Nama juicer using the link in the description below. Any and all other resources are listed in the description below for you, so please check them out. I have so many big updates coming for you soon. If you've watched some of my previous videos, then you know I have a dressings and sauces catalog coming up. I've got an app sale coming up. I've got so many things coming, so thank you for being here. Thank you for being a part of my community. Thank you for just celebrating health and wellness for me. It's honestly all I could ever ask for, so I just want to say thank you so much, sending you all my hugs and my love, and can't wait to see you in my next video.